How to manage more clients with less effort. 3 proven strategies for scaling success. Managing a growing client base can become overwhelming, especially when you're onboarding 30 to 50 high-ticket clients every month. If your back-end systems aren't solid, your reputation will suffer, and your ability to scale will hit a wall. In this guide, I'll share the 3 core strategies that allowed me to serve over 2,200 plus clients without drowning in work. These methods ensure streamlined operations, high client satisfaction, and an unlimited capacity for growth. Let's dive in. Strategy number 1. The one-pager, your client management blueprint. One of the most underrated tools in client success is the one-pager. A simple but powerful document that aligns your marketing, sales, and client success teams. What is the one-pager? It's a Google Doc that serves as a universal reference, outlining who you serve, what you do for them, key understandings for the client, why it works. Many businesses make the mistake of taking on clients outside their ideal scope, leading to fulfillment issues. When your sales team is closing deals with non-ideal clients, your fulfillment team ends up doing 20 to 30% more work than necessary. This leads to bottlenecks, burnout, and additional hiring costs. Instead, by defining your dream client profile, you ensure faster sales cycles, less hand-holding, higher retention rates, fewer refund or chargeback requests. How to implement it? Identify your dream clients. Look at past clients and determine who saw the fastest results with the least effort. Set clear criteria. Example: your ideal client is a consultant making $5,000 plus per month with a $2,000 plus price point for their services. Ensure team alignment. Before closing any deal, the sales team must confirm the prospect matches the one-pager profile. Client transparency. Show this to clients pre-sale to set clear expectations and avoid misunderstandings. Implementing this system can easily double your client capacity without adding more team members. Strategy number 2. The program roadmap. Guiding clients to success. A program roadmap is a step-by-step guide showing clients exactly what they need to do from day 1 to achieving their goal. Why it's essential. Without a roadmap, clients get lost in the process, leading to slower onboarding, confusion, and frustration, unnecessary back-and-forth communication. How to create an effective roadmap. Map out the journey. Define each milestone from day 1 to day 90 plus. Use visuals. We use Lucidchart to create easy-to-follow workflows. Include clear timeframes. For example, day 0 to 1. Book onboarding call. Accept Slack invite day 7. Complete setup tasks day 30. Implement core strategies day 90. Achieve first major milestone. Make sure to use color code responsibilities. For example, client tasks. Yellow, actions they need to take our tasks. Blue, deliverables from our team. This system removes ambiguity, speeds up results, and increases client retention. Strategy number 3. The hybrid offer, maximizing results while reducing workload. Many businesses struggle to balance do-it-yourself, DIY, done with you, DWI, and done for you, DFY, models. The solution? A hybrid offer. What is a hybrid offer? A blend of DFY and DWI services designed to address client sticking points while keeping fulfillment scalable. How it works: identify bottlenecks. Look at where clients get stuck and need the most help. Provide targeted DFY elements. For example, clients struggle with video editing. Right pointing arrow. Offer DFY video editing while keeping filming as a DIY task. Introduce AI, automation, or contractors. Instead of hiring an in-house team, connect clients with specialists who handle high-friction tasks. Why it's powerful: reduces workload while improving client experience, keeps costs low compared to fully DFY services, eliminates roadblocks that delay results, increases client capacity from 30 to 45 plus per manager. Scaling without limits. By implementing these 3 strategies, you can take on twice as many clients while doing half the work. The one-pager ensures only the right clients get onboarded. The program roadmap guides clients step by step to success. The hybrid offer streamlines fulfillment without overwhelming your team. If you're serious about scaling your business without bottlenecks, book a free strategy call with my team to implement these systems instantly.